Hi, my name is Rochelle and I'm from Sephora, Hollywood and Highland. Today I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine for oily skin. So if you'd like to know my routine, keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is remove my lashes. I just take them off with my fingers. Now I'm going to use a Sephora Collection waterproof eye makeup remover. I'm going to shake it up to mix all of the components together. So now I'm going to add a little bit to the cotton round. I'm going to leave it on my eye for a few seconds and wipe away. It wipes everything away. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm also going to use this to remove my lipstick as well. This eye makeup remover moisturizes your skin and it also puts a protective barrier around your skin, which is really, really great. You can totally use this to remove your face makeup and I really love it. So now I'm going to take my Youth to the People Superfood Antioxidant Cleanser. So what I'm going to do is I'm wetting my face and my hands and I put a couple pumps in my hand and then I'm going to lather and gently massage into my skin. I'm going to bring it down to my neck. But when I'm at home, I would typically use my sink, but today I'm going to use a damp washcloth. And I'm just patting the washcloth onto my skin just to remove the product. I'm going to be using my Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, and I will be applying this to a cotton round and putting it onto my skin and putting it all over my face to tone my skin. You can also use your hands to press the product into your skin, and I really like this product because it helps my skin with dullness and it's definitely going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. I have really oily skin and I really like to use a toner in my routine because it helps prep for the next step as well. So now I am going to take my SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. I absolutely love this product. This product also helps with dullness, fine lines and wrinkles, and firming of the skin. I put a little bit of the product into my hands and I'm lightly pressing it into my skin and I'm taking it down to my neck. You can even take it down to your décolleté if you like. This product is amazing. SK2 Essence is bomb. If you haven't tried it, you gotta try it. So now I'm going to take my Caudalie Premier Cure Serum and I'm going to add a couple of pumps in my hand and I'm going to warm it in my hands and I'm going to press into my skin. I find that pressing my serums into my skin work a lot better than to just rubbing them. So this serum is great for firming and supporting your natural collagen production. So now I am grabbing my Sunday Rally Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. I absolutely love this product. This is a lactic acid treatment, so it's going to give you a little bit of exfoliation, but in a treatment that you can leave on. You can wear this every day. You can wear this every night with any product that you have at home. And I like to kind of press into my skin because I find that for me, pressing my products into my skin works a lot better than just rubbing them on. And it smells amazing. I absolutely love the smell of this product. So now I'm going to take my Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Night Cream. And this is a nighttime cream. You can definitely rub this into the skin like how I'm doing. And I'm kind of rubbing from my cheekbones and upward motions. I'm kind of rubbing onto my neck in upward motions just to make sure everything stays lifted. This product is going to help with fine lines and dullness and uneven texture. So if you have any uneven texture, this product will definitely help with that. Even though this is a cream and I have oily skin, it's still great for my skin because it is lightweight. So now I'm going to take my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream and I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm going to apply in tapping motions up underneath my eyes. And you don't want to take the product too far up your eye. You want to start at the base and then work your way up. But I love this product. It's a brightening cream and it's amazing. So now I'm going to take my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I absolutely love this product. It hydrates your lips and it just feels really nice on your lips. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what your skincare routine is at nighttime. Bye. See you later.